a challenge I've always experienced as a director is how to keep the board out of the weeds, keep it on a strategic level. First thing I'd say is have an agenda, agreed upon agenda, and follow Robert's Rules of Order so that people can't tail off after a discussion has been completed. Second thing I'd say is that if a director during his 10 years as director has 100 good ideas and 3 of them turn out to be productive, he's paid his way. But let the operators pick which 3 of those 100 ideas that they put in on their priority list and they use. The other thing that a great practice is look at your annual calendar and theme your meetings. So every director knows that once each year you're going to talk about strategy, you're going to talk about budget, you're going to talk about marketing, you're going to talk about capital expenses, so that directors don't feel like they have a responsibility to bring each one of those up at every meeting.